Yep, just driving my 2005 LR3. Good little truck, man. Like it. Drives real good in snow, winter. No problem. It's a little bit bouncy for some reason. Last month, I don't know if it's because it's too cold. But nah, suspension. I don't know. It just feels a little bit bouncy from the front. Not bad at all. Drives real good. Yep. If you get one, man, I recommend it. It's a nice little truck. Not too big, not too small. Fit an army up in here. Yep. Doing a grocery run right now, so yeah. Take this out instead of I got a 2015 Chevy Equinox. It's not the all-wheel drive, that's why tires are not that good either. So I'd rather drive the LR3. We got some new Bridgestone tires on there. Yep, pretty good. Now, here goes that damn fan from the heater. Gotta replace that pretty soon. Yeah, like I said, it's a little bit bouncy from the front. We'll replace a whole bunch of stuff. Sensors. All the fuses are good. Still has a couple things on the dashboard right there. Suspension lowered. Special programs off. It is what it is. Still drives nice though. I'll fix it one day. Alright. That's about it. So I recommend these little trucks, man. They're not bad. Little SUVs, go anywhere, fit anywhere. They drive nice in the snow, rain. Not bad at all. Yeah, pretty good little trucks. All right, catch you on the flip side.